Hello, my name is Miguel, and today I'm going to make for you pineapple upside down apple cake. So that's pineapple upside down apple cake. The ingredients are 1 1/3 cup of flour, all purpose, 1 cup of sugar, granulated sugar, this 1/3 cup of shortening, which is this thing right here, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of salt, sea salt I'm using, a 1/4 cup of margarine or butter, margarine, 2/3 cups of brown sugar, 9 slices of pineapple slices, and this is Jamaican apple. We're gonna dice it, and we're also gonna use, this is real pineapple upside down apple cake, but I'm gonna put about half of it with cherry, so it's pineapple upside down cherry cake. We're gonna need 3/4 cups of coconut milk. I already blend it and juice it. So a 1/4 teaspoon of white vinegar. The white vinegar distorts spoilage. We're going to add it to the coconut milk and whip it. And 1 egg. You're good to go. Now to your flour, add the baking powder. 1 teaspoon and a half. Salt. Add the salt. Half a teaspoon of salt. And to your coconut milk, add a 1/4 teaspoon of white vinegar. I know this is new, but because I'm using coconut milk, or even if you're using cow's milk, this whipped together will give it buttermilk. So if you whip this together, it's gonna put this aside for later. This is a 10 by 10 square baking pan, but the recipe calls for a 9 by 9. Put to heat the pot. Whoa. Add the butter. We're going to melt the butter. And put the stove on low. While your butter melts, open this. Use your opener. Alright. Throw this out and get your slices out. Just take out 9 slices. This is good juice, so you can drink this or mix it. And this is our butter. our apple. So just cut it. This is what our apple look like. I want to show you it. See? They call it European apple. I don't know the exact name right now. So do that and just kind of cut out the inside. Let's cut the inside out. And just dice it. Make these big enough to go right. So that's good. This apple is sweet. This is so nice. This is like opposite to the American apple. It's watery and juicy. Alright. This one, let's pour the butter in. Take your pineapple and just lay them. It's evenly apart. This is a 10 by 10 pan, so it's a little bit bigger. This red side down. If you can fit 2 in 1, that's good. This is cherry, American cherry. You just put stemless, no stem. And you just put 1 in the middle. Or if you can fit 2, fine. Alright, so that's that. This sprinkle brown sugar all over. Sprinkle brown sugar all over. This place is not level, you know. Make sure the butter spread evenly. Alright. So let's just sprinkle it all. Pour some of the sugar over the apple. Pour some of the sugar over the apple and the cherry. Alright. Alright. So that's that. Just put it aside until we're ready for it. This is my container that I had the milk in. I'm not gonna wash it. The shortening. and the sugar. Now cream the butter and this cream. Just cream the sugar in it. Just cream the sugar. Cream the sugar with the shortening. Until it's all diluted. See what I'm doing? I'm using 1 tablespoon and something else on this. Alright. So once you get it creamed as best as possible, this is our coconut milk, this is our egg. See if it's good. Spin it, stop, still spins till it's good. So you just break an egg and put it in. You see a shell of the coconut milk. Just whip. Just whip. I'm going to put the vanilla in this white vinegar. And just pour that on that. Now mix this in. I'm gonna get a mixer. Now mix it. Get a mixer. Now would be a good time to preheat your oven at 350 degrees. Preheat your oven at 350. Add the flour. Sieve. Add the flour mix. So this adding the baking powder and the salt. Alright. So just fold it in. Stir it in, stir. It's like a block of fat, which it is. Shorten. well, beat for about 3 minutes. So good. Alright. Make sure it's mixed thoroughly. So that should be enough. Alright. Now, take this. Just pour it in evenly. Just pour it in over it. Let's get this out. This crisps. Shortening gonna make it crispy. So you just clean out this as best as possible. So now you just spread it. Try and keep it above the surface. Tuck it in. Try not to mix the bottom with the top. Let's get it up. This pan is a bit big enough, but I'm going to make it work. So get into the corners, spread it until it's evenly placed. once you do that, we'll put it in the oven, right? Alright, so make sure it's clean and evenly spread. This is gonna be a nice cake, nice dessert. Alright, so now put it in the oven. In the rack. Right in the middle rack, and just close the oven for 55 minutes. Alright, after the time is complete, remove the cake. Clean. Just allow that to cool for a little while. We're gonna flip it on this. Okay, now we're gonna flip it. Just kinda make sure it's be skillful. I'm nervous it's gonna break apart. Alright. Let's just do like this. And this. I hope that it will fall apart. There goes nothing. So that's pineapple upside down apple cake. So you just cut the square. You just cut it in the pineapple. sample this together. We're gonna sample this together. Pineapple upside down apple cake, Jamaican style. Alright, let's sample this thing here. To my apple. And pizza. Cake part is nice. Soft, really soft. It's raining. I don't know if you can hear it. This is like mad sweet. Children will love this. Nice though. See the crust. Piece of cherry. I'm gonna give these away some badly. Just some 5 by 8 bags. I buy 100 to a pack. I'm going to allow it to, it's kind of still warm, so I'm going to allow it to cool. Okay. This look good. So once it's cooled, completely cooled, I'm gonna just seal it. See the caramel? Yeah, this thing is mad sweet. You don't need to sprinkle no sugar on top for the caramel. Boy, butter and sugar taste really nice. I can't believe I'm saying that. That's a pastry secret. Butter and sugar and shortening.